Tired of financial chaos? This video is your ultimate guide to mastering Quicken Classic and taking control of your money. First, let's set up your accounts. Click File, then New Quicken File. Choose where you want to save your data and give it a name. Then, select Add Account. You can link directly to your bank for automatic updates or manually enter transactions. We'll start with linking. Type in your bank's name and follow the prompts to securely connect your account using your online banking credentials. Quicken will download your recent transactions. Now for expense tracking. Categorize each transaction by selecting from the existing categories or creating new ones. This is key for understanding where your money goes. Click the category field for a transaction and choose the best fit. Next up, budgeting. Go to the Planning tab and select Budgets. Create a budget by setting monthly spending limits for each category. Quicken will track your progress and alert you if you're over budget. Managing investments is easy too. Add your brokerage accounts and Quicken will track your portfolio's performance, dividends, and capital gains. Simply connect like you did with your bank accounts or enter transactions manually. Finally, let's talk about reports. Click Reports and explore the various options. You can generate income statements, balance sheets, and net worth reports to gain valuable insights into your financial health. Customize the date ranges for detailed analysis. And just like that, you're equipped to navigate Quicken Classic and conquer your finances.